products. Yeah, there we go. And you guys can see the full view. On January 24th, which is next Thursday, we are releasing brand new stamps, dies, and that's including coordinating dies and then standalone dies. And we also have a brand new product called mask stencil. And I'll walk you through that in close up. But this is a section that you'll be able to get your order in for today. We are accepting January orders, and you'll start begin shipping after the release goes live. So we have some mini stamps. We have a lot of really cool layering stamps. This it's called Dainty Bouquet. I want to highlight one of it because its layering concept is very different than our regular layering. So it'll give you a layering guide and walk you through how the finished stamp looks like. It kind of gives you that partial layering look that's really pretty. And if you were part of our workshop on Friday, you probably got your hands on how to stamp those. We do have a brand new product that we're very proud of, and this is not yet live in any other companies or in the market, so we're very proud to kind of bring this on. It's called Mask Stencil. So you know how you guys like to fussy cut and cover it so you can stamp on top of it? We want to eliminate that process, so we came with a stencil that you can mask over or mask around it so that you can do ink blending or you can stamp on top of it, and you can use it over and over. This is slightly thinner than our regular stencil, so it'll give you a less edge and bump when you're working with the stamping and the stencil. And you're welcome to use a baby wipe on it or alcohol wipe on it to kind of get rid of all those stains. So those actually will go over our stamps perfectly, so you can kind of cover it right there and stamp on top of it, or you can cover around it to kind of focus on ink blending for those images. We also have some individual stand-alone dies. We have a new cover die coming up and new zodiac die. So there are 12 of these. We're just displaying one, but there's 12 of these zodiac signs that you can create cards and layouts with, and there are samples for everywhere for you guys to kind of come close up after I'm done introducing it. We also have 3 brand new 3D dies to build a 3D flowers. So these will be available in our store on 24th of January. Over here, we're very, very excited to introduce our brand new pigment inks. So we have 2 different types of gold pigment inks that will come out in upcoming months. And we also have a pigment, a very crisp black ink that we're so excited. They're waterproof as well, so it's great for watercoloring. If you're familiar with VersaFine Onyx Black, you will get the same property and same crisp results with our ink. So those are upcoming ones. In March, we are releasing 3 brand new dye ink sets into our current existing crisp dye ink, so you'll be able to come up here and see it close up. Over here in November, we released 4 different ink colors, if you're not really familiar with it just yet, but we just kind of changed our packaging for the newer colors. So all the new colors will have these, have a gold foil. You can see the colors a little bit better. And we will have a brand new scrapbook collection. This is our number 3 scrapbook collection called Leave Your Dreams. You'll be able to see the papers and the die cuts and stickers and the sticker sheets and things like that. So feel free to come close up and take a look at those. And lastly, these are some of the upcoming products that's coming up in upcoming springtime, March or April, maybe a little later, we don't really know yet, but we wanted to kind of showcase and kind of give you an idea of what we're working on. So these are the gradient cardstock sets. They are going to match our current existing ink colors, how we come up with the 4 different shades. So these are created so that you guys can take out the hard work of cutting the cardstocks down to create our 3D layer flowers or any other die cut elements on your projects, and they give you that light to dark shade, and they color coordinate nicely, and this fits perfectly into our mini blossom die cutting machine. So they are cut to 3x6, and you will get 8 sheets of each color per set. So those are some examples. We have a brand new die cut tape coming up, and these are very, very long, and this is just a couple of designs that were coming up And this is actually like a very fresh sample that we got from our manufacturer like 2 days ago. So you guys are getting the very fresh work. So we have some die cuts coming up. We have embossing paste coming up in the market as well in our store. We're very proud to showcase our metallic watercolors. If you're familiar with our 36 watercolor pen set, they have been really well loved. So we are excited to kind of showcase this. So we'll keep you all in the loop when we know the release date for those. I know that some of you guys have been telling me the washi tapes have been doing so great and well loved, and we're excited to add a few additional designs onto our existing line. So those will be coming live pretty soon. So yeah, that's the quick summary of our new release. You guys are welcome to come closer and take a look. If you have any questions, let me know and let any of our team members know.
One last thing I want to thank you, Nicole. One last thing I want to highlight is the Altenew Certified Educator Program. Something we launched in 2017, late 2017, early 2018. Now we finally have some certified educators. Basically, the program is we guide, if you have your team members or someone who want to kind of enhance their paper crafting skills, they'll take classes on our Altenew Academy and go through multiple levels, level 1, level 2, and they'll get guidance from our design team members. Amber, actually over there, is one of our first certified educators. We went through the program very quickly, so definitely feel free to ask her unbiased outlook on how she went through that process. So something I want to definitely promote, and if anyone is looking to improve their skills or want some of their team members and their company kind of improve their skills, we're happy to kind of support that. Okay.
And if you have any questions about that program, you're welcome to come ask me as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.